How to remove items from a list while iterating. I'm iterating over a list of tuples in Python, and am attempting to remove them if they meet certain criteria. What should I use in place of code _to remove _tup? I can't figure out how to remove the item in this fashion.
You can use a list comprehension to create a new list containing only the elements you don't want to remove. Or, by assigning to the slice SUMList column, you can mutate the existing list to contain only the items you want. This approach could be useful if there are other references to SUMList that need to reflect the changes. Instead of a comprehension, you could also use itertools. In Python 2. Or in Python 3.
The answers suggesting list comprehensions are almost correct, except that they build a completely new list and then give it the same name the old list as. They do not modify the old list in place. That's different from what you'd be doing by selective removal, as in Lennart's suggestion. It's faster, but if your list is accessed via multiple references, the fact that you're just reseeding one of the references and not altering the list object itself can lead to subtle, disastrous bugs. Fortunately, it's extremely easy to get both the speed of list comprehensions and the required semantics of in-place alteration, just code. Note the subtle difference with other answers. This one is not assigning to a bare name. It's assigning to a list slice that just happens to be the entire list, thereby replacing the list contents within the same Python list object, rather than just reseeding one reference, from the previous list object to the new list object, like the other answers.
You need to take a copy of the list and iterate over it first, or the iteration will fail with what may be unexpected results. For example, depends on what type of list. An example.
You need to go backwards, otherwise it's a bit like sawing off the tree branch that you are sitting on. Smile. Python 2 users, replace range by range to avoid creating a hard-coded list.
If you want to